So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Sky cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, go to the bottom middle area and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're on this page, go to the top and search up name or symbol. Then once you're here, just go ahead and type in SKY or Sky. Once it's here, just go ahead and select it. Once you're on the Sky page, just go to the bottom and select buy. Once you're here, you can then select how much Sky cryptocurrency you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then you can press review. Once you're on this page right here, you can then review the amount of Sky crypto that you're buying, the fees, the cost, and if this looks good and you want to proceed, just go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Sky cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.